Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all. Today I am going to present the personal learning pathway of advanced healthcare leadership. Firstly, advanced healthcare leadership is a program prepare the graduates to come out with the leadership skills within the healthcare setting. So after studying this course, the students will be able to apply the professional leadership concept as a member of a multidisciplinary healthcare team in an organization. The 5 learning objectives that I have selected from this course was to learn about the various challenges faced by the leader and to learn and adapt various procedures, practices and strategies, to learn about how a leader manages today's working area, to learn and understand different styles and skills in leadership, and to understand and study the funding models that is used in the Canadian healthcare system. So moving on to the implementation of learning outcome into the nursing profession. As a nurse, this program helped me in developing effective communication and collaboration strategies that helps to boost the teamwork. It helps me in understanding how to use the electronic health record effectively, and I have learned about the various acts and regulations followed by the Canadian healthcare system. So the most valuable part of learning this program was I have learned about the new technologies that is used in the healthcare settings. That means I have learned about online presentations, webinars, Adobe sessions, assignments, feedbacks, discussion forums, which will help me to become a nurse leader. And class presentations and assignments help me to develop the right language and communication skills, which is essential for my career. The most challenging part of this advanced healthcare leadership program was the financial management course, because it has many difficult calculations which I have studied in my 10th standard. After a long gap studying mathematics and calculations, it was difficult for me. And if I get the chance to redo this course, I would improve my GPA by not going for a part-time job, because I faced difficulty to move forward the study and work together. So I would rather collect some funds and save some money before starting the program to meet my expenses during this program. So next, moving on to the learning pathway of advanced healthcare leadership. It was my dream to come to Canada and do my postgraduate studies. So for that, after completion of my BSc nursing, I have worked around 3 years. After that, I have decided to come to Canada. For that, I have written my IELTS exam, and after that I did a research on the best colleges in Canada, and I've selected Lambton College for my PG studies, and then I've selected Advanced Healthcare Leadership Program, and now I'm in the 4th semester of the program, and once I complete this program successfully, I will get the certificate, that is postgraduate certification from Lambton College. So moving on to the learning pathway of RN license. After completion of my 1st semester, I have started my procedure to become an RN license. For that, I have opened an account in National Nursing Assessment Service, that is NNAS, who will evaluate all our certificate. And after opening the account, I have filled the online application form and I paid the fees. After that, I have downloaded all the forms which I have to send to the organization where I have worked and studied, and the organization has filled the form and they have resent it to the NNAS. The NNAS evaluated all the documents and given an advisory report, and I have submitted this advisory report to the College of Nurses Ontario and paid the fees, and College of Nurses Ontario evaluated the advisory report given by the NNAS, and they have given an approval to write RPN exam, and since I have a long gap between my experience and they haven't given me the approval to write an RN exam. For that, they have suggested me to take another course or write an exam, and once I complete a bridging course from Canada, or to write after writing the exam, they will give me the approval for writing the RN exam. Currently, I have written my RPN exam and successfully passed in that. And next, my plan is to search job after completion of this program. And conclusion: the Advanced Healthcare Leadership is a program made for the future leaders in the healthcare system. Overall, this course makes the learner to build excellent leadership skills, which is essential in the competitive and multicultural country like Canada. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you.